Duggirala Gopalakrishnaiah. Duggirala Gopalakrishnaiah, between 1889 to 1928, was an Indian freedom fighter and the member of Indian National Congress from the southern Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Known by his title of Andhra Ratna, Gopalakrishnaiah was the first Andhra leader to become Secretary of All India Congress Committee. Gopalakrishnaiah was born in Penuganjiprolu in the Nandigam Taluk of Krishna district in 1889 in a Brahmin family. His father, Kodanda Ramaswamy, was a school teacher but came from a family of landlords from Guntur, and his mother Seethamma died soon after giving birth to him, her only child. He did his schooling from the Bapatla Municipal High School and worked for a year at the Bapatla Taluk office after completing his matriculation. In 1911, he chose to go to University of Edinburgh, where he lived for 6 years and earned a postgraduate degree in economics. Gopalakrishnaiah returned to Guntur in 1917 and worked as a teacher in Government College at Rajahmundry and at the National College at Machilipatnam, but he also became involved in Annie Besant's Home Rule movement. In 1919, he gave up his teaching career to become a full-time political activist. He attended the Calcutta session of Indian National Congress in 1920, where he was attracted to the idea of non-cooperation that the Congress endorsed. Gopalakrishnaiah was a devotee of the Hindu deity Rama, and he organized a cadre of workers whom he called Ramadandu, that is, Rama's army, to work for the cause of Swaraj. In 1921, the Congress held its annual session at Vijayawada, where the Ramadandu played a prominent role in organizing it. Members of the Dandu wore saffron clothes and donned Rudraksha and Million, and they participated in the meeting in large numbers. Muhammad Ali, the president of the session, was impressed enough to call it the Red Army of India. Following the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement, dissension spread across the Congress party on the issue of its future course of action. When C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru founded the Swaraj Party in 1925, Gopalakrishnaiah joined it and became one of its secretaries from Andhra. For his work with Ramadandu and the establishment of Ramnagar, he became to be known as Ramdas, and as a leader of the Swaraj Party, he would sometimes introduce himself with a tinge of humor as C.R. Das or Chirala Ramdas. Gopalakrishnaiah was diagnosed with advanced tuberculosis in 1926 and spent much of his last days in poverty and suffering. He died in 10th of June 1928 at the age of 39. He is known by the title called Andhra Ratna or Jewel of Andhra.